Good morning students, welcome to all of you here in this video tutorial, and today I am going to explain class 7 geography chapter number 1 environment. So what is environment, or what do you understand by environment? In simple words, you can say that whatever you see in your surroundings. Whatever, it includes anything, any tree, lake, river, mountain, humans, buildings, bridges, roads, even humans also, individual, family, community, anything. Whatever you see in your surroundings, yes, is called environment. Now more deeply, just look at here. Environment is our basic life support system. Yes, what is environment? It is our basic life support system. And you know what? It provides, how you can say that it is our basic life support system? Because environment, yes, only environment provide the air we breathe. Yes. And the land we live, the water we drink, and the food we eat. So where do we get air? Yes, to breathe from our environment. Where do we get water to drink? From our environment. And where do we get even food also? Yes, it is also we get from our environment. And where we get land to live? Yes, land also. So environment give us air, water, food, and land also. All these things we get from environment. Yes. And you know, how do humans beings modify this natural environment? Natural environment, yes, human beings modify to live here. The car fumes pollute the air. Water is collected in a pot. Food is served in vessels. Yes, just look at here. Water is collected in a where? In a pot, and food is served in a vessels, and land is used to build factories and to build buildings also. And you know what? Human beings makes cars. Human beings ने क्या क्या बनाया आपका? Cars बनाई है, mills बनाई है, factories बनाई है, manufacture आपके containers के लिए. This is how human beings modify natural environment. नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट को जो आपका ह्यूमन बीइंग है वहाँ रहने के लिए अपने अकॉर्डिंग मॉडिफाई करता है. मॉडिफाई मीन्स वहाँ अपने अकॉर्डिंग चेंजेस लाता है. वहाँ वो बिल्डिंग्स बनाएगा अपने रहने के लिए, रोड्स बनाएंगे जाने के लिए, ब्रिजेस, पार्क्स, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो गॉट इट? In simple terms, you can say that environment is our basic life support system, and it gives us many things also. Now let's come here. Components of environment. Yes, it can be divided into 3 categories. The number 1 is natural, number 2 is human made, and number 3 is only humans. So let's start with natural. Yes, natural which occurs naturally. वो बिल्कुल naturally हुए, उसमें human beings ने कोई भी उसमें changes नहीं किए, कोई भी interfere नहीं किए. Just you can say that living things, any living things, yes, it comes under biosphere. Yes, land, where do we live? It comes under lithosphere. Then air, atmosphere, and water, hydrosphere. So in natural component, which includes water, hydrosphere, air, atmosphere, land, lithosphere, and living things, biosphere. All these things. Now let's come human made. Human mades which are created or made by humans. जो किसने बनाई है और किसने made की है? Humans ने. Just like buildings for their use, parks to play, bridges, yes, roads to go here and there, industries for their business purposes, and even monuments also. Yes, all these things comes under human made component. Building park, bridges, roads, industries and monuments. Now let's come here. Human. Individual, yes. Family, our family. Community, our community. Our religion also. Our educational, our economy, our country economy also. And political situation, yes. Which things includes in human components? Individual, family, community, religion, educational, economic and political situation. So, you can say that, just look at here, place, any place, people, things and nature. Which things? Place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. Yes, in simple word, it is called environment. And you know what? Natural environment refers to the both biotic and abiotic conditions existing on the earth. Which conditions? Biotic also and abiotic also. Now, what do you understand by biotic and what do you understand by abiotic? So let's come here. Biotic. Biotic where life exists, जिसमें life है. So the word of living organism. कौन सा word? Living organism का, जो living है. So where life exists and the word of living organism is known as biotic. Example, you can take also plants, animals and even human beings also. Abiotic, where is no life exists. Yes, जहाँ life क्या है? Life नहीं है. And you know what? The word of non-living elements. Yes, abiotic means where no life exists and the word of non-living elements. Example, land, any building, any bridge. Yes, there is no life, so biotic and abiotic. Got it? Thank you all of you. Have a nice day ahead.